Hi, this is Phil Robinson, Principal Product Manager of Fleet Solutions here at HCSS. I'm proud to announce the launch of our partnership with Diesel Laptops, the industry leader in shop efficiency solutions. Many of you are already familiar with Diesel Laptops' equipment diagnostics, mechanic training, and repair information offerings. With our partnership with Diesel Laptops, you now have access to vehicle-specific repair information for your heavy trucks directly from HCSS Telematics and soon Equipment 360. Your mechanics no longer have to pull a manual, plug in a scanner, or contact the dealer to begin troubleshooting. Let's see how. A triaxle truck has experienced a fault. I'm a predetermined contact that was alerted automatically via email and text message. The alert shows high-level information about the equipment and reported fault codes. After receiving the text or email notification, I'll log into HCSS Telematics and view the equipment details page for more information. Equipment faults are conveniently located on the main detail page in the upper right corner. This truck has 2 active fault codes. The repair info link uses the VIN entered during the equipment setup to identify the equipment and power plant, then take me to the correct troubleshooting guide. The first time you click the repair info link, you'll be prompted to log into or create your Diesel Laptops account. I can see the specific fault code and its definition. I can click on Read More to get details on the fault. If I have a paid subscription to Diesel Laptops, I can also get step-by-step troubleshooting guides. Contact us today for more information.